Hey everybody, what's going on? Here's the jig I've been promising you guys that I would show off to y'all. It's a simple, just vertical extended jig for my fence. I mean, it sits on it, it's detachable, it glides. So, alright, so basically what you want to do is you want to take the measurements of your fence and make sure your inside crevice fits over your fence. It shouldn't be extremely tight. You're gonna need to slide this. My old jig that I used to use was stationed here. I didn't have a clamp up here, which was kind of dangerous, and I would slide my workpiece against this through the saw instead of just keeping this, making it all one unit and slide through. I found this to be safer, adding the clamp up top to help you hold your workpiece. I have a tendency to stand to the right side of my fence because of this bevel cut. Your cutoff will end up down here by the blade and it will shoot out. Sometimes it's slow, sometimes it can be quick. That's why I stand to the side, because I really don't feel like catching it in the gut or the chest. So what we do now, at the bottom of our jig, I cut a 15-degree angle, and that's what we set our saw to, is 15 degrees when we're doing our bevel cut. The workpiece will sit on this ridge, and then you clamp it in place, turn your saw on, and ever so slowly and carefully slide your workpiece through the saw. Shut your saw off, pull it back, rotate your piece so you can cut another angle. I'll have some video shortly after my commentary to show you guys how it is in action. Sorry about my commentary, it's not something I normally do. I hope it's decent enough for you guys to get the idea of how this jig works and how I built it. I don't have any plans for this because everybody's saws are different. When I got started, I got the Hercules model from Harbor Freight. It's served me well so far. I have upgraded to an 8-inch DeWalt. The 3/4 of an inch loss in cut diameter did not faze me, especially for the kind of work that I do. But alright, no further ado, here's the cuts actually being made with everything in action. I hope this helped everybody, and the idea is good for you guys. Just make it your own. Have a good night. Enjoy the footage.